Hi! Today, we will show you how to add your own mechanics to your TRX Services Organization. Open the TRX Service Provider app and log into your organizational account with owner, admin or representative privileges. On the home screen of the app, find the Add Some Mechanics pop-up and click on the button. The next screen will ask for information to create a mechanic account in your organization. Fill in the asked details carefully. Double-check the email as the mechanic account will be created with this email. The temporary password that you will be setting up will be sent to the above provided email. After filling in all the details, click on the Register button and you are done. An email will be sent to your provided email from noreply@trxapp.io with the email and password provided in it for the mechanic account. With this, the adding mechanic to your organization part is done. If you need further assistance on the first login for your mechanic account, please click on the tutorial link below in the description. Thank you for your time.